In today's video, I'm giving you a full review of the jump rope that I use, and that is of CROSSROPE jump ropes. In fact, they're the only jump rope that I've been using for the past 7 years. I'm gonna give you everything you need to know about this jump rope system. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos coming at you every week. My name is Kyle Easter and I'm the creator of Jump15.com, and let's jump right into this review of the CROSSROPE Infinity Jump Rope System. The first thing that you need to know about the Infinity Jump Rope System is what sets it apart from all other jump ropes on the market, and that is that it's an interchangeable jump rope system. It's not just one single jump rope, it's a series of jump ropes, all weighted differently from 1/4 pound up to 2 pounds, and they are sold in sets of ropes. So you can get the lighter 2 ropes in a set or the heavier 2 ropes in a set, or you can get the whole package with both sets of handles in a complete set. Now let's cover really fast what I mean by weighted jump ropes. Now in the past, weighted jump ropes, a lot of the times the weight was in the handles themselves. As you can see in this clip, weight in the handles doesn't do me a whole lot of good because my handles, if using proper form and technique, aren't moving a whole lot. So with the Infinity Jump Rope System, the weight is in the rope itself. So as a weighted jump rope spins around your body, now the weight being in the rope is pulling in all different directions. The centrifugal force is going to be multiplying the weight of the rope pulling out away from your body, which is going to be working your grip strength, your arms, your shoulders, your back, and even your chest a whole lot more, giving you a much more intense workout. Here is an example of me jumping with a lighter jump rope, and notice my hands, how still they are, and I'm maintaining the same exact form the whole time. Now here is me jumping with a heavy rope at a fast speed. Notice how my arms are having to stabilize a whole lot more while jumping with this rope. All right, so now you might be asking yourself, what do I need 2 jump ropes for, let alone 4? First off, weighted jump ropes are far easier to learn with. Because of the extra weight in the rope, it provides more feedback while it travels around your body to your hands. So now you're able to more easily identify where the rope is, which is going to help you develop the timing and rhythm for jumping rope. Using weighted ropes also allows you to raise the intensity of your workout so you can get a far better workout in less time. They also allow you to increase the strength in your upper body, in your grip strength, forearms, your upper arms, your shoulders, your back, and even your chest are all gonna really be feeling it when you're using these heavy ropes. And weighted ropes also help you develop more power and speed for when you go back to the lighter ropes. You're gonna be able to move those ones so much faster and for longer periods of time. All right, let's get into why I have stuck with these jump ropes for the last 7 years. The Infinity Jump Rope System rates highly on what I have coined the PDQ Scale. The PDQ Scale is made up of performance, durability, and quality, which CROSSROPE killed in each one of these categories. All right, first let's talk quality. CROSSROPE spared no expense in finding the best materials to create this jump rope system. From the handles, to the bearings, to the grips, to the ropes themselves, you can tell from the moment you pick them up that they are a high quality system. And this leads into durability. When you have high quality, they're gonna be durable products, and CROSSROPE is super durable. I've had my current system for over a year and it's still going strong. My handles, the grips are very comfortable. They're showing no wear and tear. The bearings are ceramic ball bearings. They spin super smooth and they're continuing. I haven't had one issue with those. You don't have to lubricate them. They're very simple and easy to take care of. And the ropes, they never retain coil. They last forever, and they still have a wire down the middle, so they'll never completely break in half. The PVC will eventually crack through and you'll wear it away, but it will never break. So you can literally jump with them forever before you have to replace the rope. And last but not least, performance. I am a performance kind of guy. I want a system that's going to continue to let me grow and push my abilities to the next level, and CrossRope certainly does that because of the high quality products and the durability and the smoothness of rotation. The quarter-pound rope is plenty fast for anybody, and the heavy ropes still rotate so smoothly I'm even able to do skill work with those. All right, let's talk price. The starter set for CrossRope is their Get Lean set, which is priced at $88. I understand that that sounds like a lot of money to some of you for a jump rope, that a lot of people end up saying, what? You can get a jump rope for $10 at Walmart. I guarantee your $10 jump rope or your $20 jump rope is not going to compare to this system at all. You're gonna have to replace it. I've gone the cheap route. I've done it, and I've seen so many other people say the same things over and over again. They end up going from rope to rope because they keep breaking and they're not performing well and they're having problems with them. And then they get CrossRope. They're amazed at how much better this system is. So keep in mind that this system is going to last you a long time. Like I said earlier, mine has lasted me over a year. $88 for over a year of workouts, and I jump 4 to 5 days a week. I'm not going to complain about that at all. And then ultimately, you're investing up front to get the whole system, and the handles are the most expensive part. So now I can replace the quarter-pound jump rope for just $18. That's no big deal. The other information that I really want to make sure you guys are aware of is CrossRope's warranties and guarantees. Let's take a look at that on their website.
Here we are on the CrossRope website, and as you can see, they offer a risk-free 30-day trial period. This is a pretty sweet deal. You can try the ropes out for 30 days, and if you're not happy with your purchase, you can send them back and they will refund your money. CrossRope also offers a 100% size exchange guarantee. That means if you are not satisfied with the size that you purchased, you can contact them within 30 days and they will do an exchange with you and even pay for the shipping in the US. Last but not least, CrossRope also offers a 2-year warranty on their handles. This is the most expensive portion of the system, so this is an awesome deal. You're guaranteed 2 years of use of your handles and only needing to replace probably a couple ropes throughout that time.
Another thing I love about CrossRope is they back up their system with a ton of extra value, far more than I know of any other jump rope company doing. So let's take a look at some of the extra value that they offer. If you are interested in CrossRope, they did hook me up with a 10% off code, which you will find in the description below, and I have them linked to their site, so you can go check them out, go ask them questions, go read some reviews. Reviews are your friend. I'm one person, I love them, but go hear it from some other people and what they had to say as well. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment. If you have any questions or concerns regarding any of the things covered in this video, I am more than happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified about new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.